Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Microsoft Excel templates for personal workflow automation, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type Microsoft Excel templates into the search bar. Press enter to begin your search. Look for the official Microsoft Office website. Click on the link to the Microsoft Office templates page. Once the page loads, you'll see a variety of categories. Browse through these categories to find a template that suits your needs. If you're looking for something specific, use the search bar at the top. Type in keywords related to the template you want. Review the search results for relevant templates. Click on a template that interests you to view more details. Take note of the template description and its features. Look for a preview image to get a sense of how it looks. Once you have selected a template, click the download button. Depending on your browser settings, the file will start downloading automatically. Find the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the file to open it in Microsoft Excel. Make any necessary adjustments to customize the template for your workflow. Save the template with a new name, so you can easily find it later. Consider saving it in a designated folder for templates you use often. Now you're ready to automate your personal workflow using Microsoft Excel templates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.